On the outside, the courthouse in Stanford looks like most, but it's what's inside that sets it apart. Our cameras were allowed inside the vault, a tightly secured room that houses Lincoln County's original records and archives dating back to 1789, making it one of the more complete archives of the history of Kentucky. Our hometown tour guide is Irene Jaggers from the Lincoln County Historical Society.
This is our first marriage bond, and the marriage bond, of course, was made in 1781, and it was made, of course, to Thomas Jefferson, Esquire, Governor, assignee, Register of the Commonwealth of Virginia.
Virginia, because Kentucky wasn't a Commonwealth yet. There are other famous names on some of these documents, like Daniel Boone and Simon Kenton.
I have here treasury warrants for George Rogers Clark, and this was in 1780.
Lincoln County is rare in that no documents have ever been lost to fire. That good fortune has led to rare finds like this land survey.
Survey for Abraham Lincoln in 1784 for 800 acres. This is not our president, but his grandfather.
Look at this. A deed written on sheepskin in 1780. This is more than just history. It gives a one-of-a-kind glimpse into our past.
It explains to you how the people had to live years ago, the hardships that they went through.
Historians and genealogists are drawn to this rare collection.
And people come in here from all over the United States to do their research, and they are amazed at what we do have.
Thanks in part to people like Irene Jaggers, who cares so deeply about preserving Lincoln County's past.
How do you know where you're going if you don't know where you've been?